Yeah. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. The Fair Use Act of 1976. What's up, guys? Thank you for joining me on this special breaking news. Kinda. Not really, but thank you for being here. Thank you for the support. I told you guys it's going down before the 18th, just like my boy was telling me. The same exact thing. Stuff's happening, guys, and you see it right before your very eyes. Stuff is coming to fruition that I told you was gonna happen. Now, let me just attract your attention to right here, guys, right here. I just want to show you what happened. I don't know what happened. You tell me. Now, you would think getting your life back together is the title of the last video on Marley. You'd think she'd want to make her court date, don't you think? I would think so, right? Okay, so let's check it out, guys. Let's look at it firsthand. So it's very odd that her court dates line up with cherries right here, 3/18/26. Let me go right here to the second. And as you can see, called and failed, 3/2/26. As you can see, folks, right here. What the fuck is this? As you can see, guys, I certify that the order for arrest issued in this case on the date noted above for the defendant named above was received and served as follows. So, guys, it's a FTA, the state versus Marquisha, in the order for arrest. If the order of arrest is not served within 180 days, it must be returned to the clerk of court in the county in which it was issued, with the reason for the failure of service noted therein. Really? I didn't know that. So if it's not served within 6 months? Anyway, guys, I think you get the gist of it. She's basically missed court. And, you know, it's kind of funny because isn't she supposed to be trying to get her life turned around? Isn't she supposed to be going to these things and making sure everything is dandy? So, guys, she also has another court date on the 18th. And if you see the date right here, it's very strange because it's in the same courtroom as Cherry's. And you can look it up yourself, guys. Just go to this North Carolina Judicial Branch portal, and you go to search hearings. Anyway, you guys get the gist of it. Just Google North Carolina portal, and it'll pop up. But what I'm tripping on, guys, is why is she missing these court dates right here? Why? Marquisha, what's going on? I mean, you should know that you missed your court date. I mean, she's gonna be popping up in the Guilford County real soon, ladies and gentlemen. And I just can't. It blows my mind because people like this try and do good. They say they want to do good on camera, but actions speak louder than words, guys. Number one, she's not pregnant. Come on. And I think she's just not even trying to play the role because she's smoking on camera. She's eating everything junk food. She's not taking vitamins. She's not talking about anything that has to do with pregnancy. A pregnant mother would be giddy and talking about everything that has to do with pregnancy, looking stuff up on their phones, showing stuff. Ladies and gentlemen, you know, like proV Polymath knows, It's all a ruse. It's all a shamble. It's all BS. You guys know it. So I'm gonna go ahead and click this off. Yeah, so she has a order for arrest issued right here, guys, as you can see. And yeah, there's really nothing more to say on this subject. So I hope you guys checked out the Stephanie interview. We got another interview coming up with Stephanie. And I want to show you guys a comment. I was supposed to show this in the beginning, but I forgot. Check it out. Love and Biz says, but he said himself he got everything he wanted. He's straight. He too rich from just doing YouTube. Not one video had 1 million views. How? Dope dealing at its finest, guys, right there. They know, I know. Guys, I was saying this 2 years ago and everyone thought I was fucking crazy. Well, who's crazy now? The old chum says, right, like even if you from the hood and got it, ain't nobody spending over 7K on a bed. Dude a clown. To me, him flexing plays a part to his bitter baby mama syndrome. That na boo boo. Shit being he only paid $50 for child support is a sin of its own. Ladies and gentlemen, and then at the bottom, Love and Biz says, he said he gets Medicaid. Woo. What's up with that? What's up with that, guys? What's up with that? I don't know. I have no idea. I have no clue. Make sure you guys check out Saturday Night Live. This Saturday is going to be a banger. It's always a banger, guys. 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, 7 p.m. Eastern, and 6 o'clock Central. I'll see you guys then. Have a great rest of your week, and I'll see you this weekend, guys. I'll also, man, you guys know I'll see you on the next review. Have a good day. Have a good night.